Good morning. I am Prakash Subedi. I want to welcome you all, my dear students, guardians and all the viewers who have been watching us in Kalika SD live from Facebook live and from YouTube too. I have been teaching for standard 9 and you have been learning lots of indices these days, and today as well I am going to continue the lesson, and today we discuss mainly on exponential equation. Even though I am focusing for standard 9, but the same chapter you need to study in standard 10 as well, and you learn somehow in 8 as well, and even in some upper level also the concept of laws of indices and exponential equation is required. So, without delaying, so let us see in the slide, either in the slide or in PIP. So, what we are going to do today? Today as a concluding day of exponential equation I am going to solve. So, these are the questions in exponential equations that we have done some of the questions from here, and today as a miscellaneous question, and then as the questions that students frequently ask, I am going to do those questions today. You can see in the slide that what we are going to learn today. So, these are the questions that you have asked frequently. I want to thank Dipsan Bhattarai, Bisarga Ghimire and Arjun Paudel, students of Bharatpur. They have asked me in my mail ID, they have mailed me and they told me to do such type of questions. This is why I am going to revise this as a final day of exponential equation. So, let us see in the board, please. Look at the, you have seen the first question. You can see the question in PIP if possible, okay, or let us see solution here. What is the first question? We have if a to the power x is equal to b to the power y is equal to c to the power z and b square is equal to ac, prove that, this is the question, prove that, okay, let me say the question, 2 over y is equal to 1 over x plus 1 over y. So, this question also I have written, thinking that you may be a little bit confused if I do not show the question here. This is different type of question, as I said, miscellaneous type also we include today. Here you know this is the condition given to you, these two conditions are given to you, different question, but very easy. You know, we must, in such case you should think in such a conditional question, dear student, you need to remember that what is given and why is it given. Like two conditions are given here. Now, you should go through like why they are given, what is the use of those given things that you should think. So, I am going to take first given condition at first, like here a to the power x is equal to b to the power y is equal to c to the power z. So, this is given to us, but here you see basis a, basis b, basis c. So, directly you do not get any relation directly between a and b, even though we can make the relation, but you may be confused. So, to simplify this condition easily, let us suppose a to the power x is equal to b to the power y is equal to c to the power z, which is equal to k. I have supposed these all equal to k. Then let me take one example at first. when a to the power x is equal to k, then what happens? That is, a to the power x, can we say k to the power 1? Nothing in the power means there is power 1. Now, rising power on both sides, by 1 by x, dear student, we get a to the power x whole to the power 1 by x is equal to k to the power 1 whole to the power 1 by x. This x we can cut. Therefore, we get value of a in term of k is k to the power 1 into 1 by x, this is 1 by x. Here I have shown you, dear student, this may be the first condition that you are learning this type of question in standard 9. This is why I have shown you clear process. A to the power x, b to the power y, c to the power z equal k is given to us. It means a to the power x is equal to k, b to the power y is equal to k, c to the power z is equal to k. And when I took a to the power x equals k, it is a to the power x is equal to k to the power 1. By raising the power on both sides by 1 by x, we got a to the power x to the power 1 by x, k to the power 1 to the power 1 by y, and after cutting we got the value of a is equal to k to the power 1 by x. Similarly, when you take b to the power y is equal to k, then you will get b is equal to k to the power 1 by y. Here you need to raise the power on both sides by 1 by y following this process. And when you take c to the power z is equal to k, then you get c is equal to k to the power 1 over z. So, dear student, I have just used the first condition given to you. The first condition was it is here like a to the power x equal, b to the power y equal, c to the power z, and I supposed it equals k, and I got the value of a, value of b and value of c, and all the values I got in term of k. Now, you can see I have made the same base. I work with the terms with the same base. This is why I have converted them into the same base k. Now, what is the second condition, dear student? After this, let us go here again. We also have, so let us see what is given to us, dear student. B square is equal to AC is given. So, it means B here, and then let me not to write B, I am going to replace its value, square is there, A into C. Look, from here we have got value of B is equal to k to the power 1 by y. So, here look, square has come as a square, the value of B I am going to replace it by k to the power 1 by y, because value of B is k to the power 1 by y. And here is A, dear student. So, in the place of A, let me see what is the value of A, k to the power 1 by x. I am writing k to the power 1 by x. At the place of C, C is equal to k to the power 1 by z. This is why let us replace C by k to the power 1 by z. Okay. Look what I did here. What I did? I replaced this value. value of a, at the place of a I wrote k to the power 1 by x, at the place of c I wrote k to the power 1 by z, at the place of b I wrote k to the power 1 by y. So, from first condition we got the value of a, b, c, and in second condition we just replaced those value in second condition. Now, or k to the power, now 2 times 1 by y, it becomes, okay, let me see, 2 times 1 by y is equal to, so base is k, you can see base is k here, base is k here, operation, mathematical operation, sign is multiplication here. So, we can add these two power, or k to the power, this 2 times 1 by y, it is 2 over y is equal to k to the power 1 by x plus 1 by z, or base is k, base is k. Now, equating the bases, we get 2 over y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by z. Let us see what is to be proved. 2 over y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. Sorry, I copied little wrong question here. It should be 1 by z, you can see once in the slide, otherwise you may be confused. Just a second, let us have a look in the slide. So, look, first question, dear student, there is 2 over y, 2 over y is equal to 1 over x plus 1 over z. Sorry, the question is wrong, there should be 1 by z. Okay. Now, let us go to the question, please. Okay. Look, this should be 1 by z, okay. It is mistyped there. 2 over y is equal to 1 over x plus 1 over z. You need to correct the question, please, dear student. So, hence what we got? LHS is equal to RHS, proved, or you simply write proved here. Hence 2 over y is equal to 1 over x plus 1 over z, proved. Okay. So, again you need to watch it once. I hope you have understood this all. Now, let me go to the second question, please. Let me see in the slider once again. You can go to YouTube and you can watch there this episode, and from there you can see this solution once again. Play, pause, reward, forward, rewind, everything you can do there. Okay. Now, let us see this second question. This second question is the question that many students asked me. Second question I am doing now. There is 2 to the power 3 x minus 5 times a to the power x minus 2 is equal to a to the power of 1 minus x times 2 to the power x minus 2. Okay, that is done. Let us see in the board again. So, look, yesterday also I did the same process that I am going to follow today. Here multiplication is the only operation you can see, and then I think here, this question we need to solve for x. Normally in any question, if a, b, c and x, y, z come, then in general, it is not the rule, but in general we solve for x, y, z, and we take a, b, c as constant term. Here also, dear student, we are solving this equation for x. This is like solve for x question. We are solving for x, it is in the exponent, and we are taking a as a constant term. Now, this is so simple, dear student. At first, we bring all the terms to the left hand side. For that, right hand side both terms comes here, and it becomes like this. 2 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 1. A times 2 is here, both we have taken in the denominator of the left hand side. Therefore, in right hand side only one is left here. So, now look, you have already learnt the laws of indices, but let me make you more easy for you to understand. Let me write 2 upon 2 to the power x minus 2 into a to the power x minus 2 over into a to the power 1 minus x. I have just changed the position. In fact, this step is not needed, but I thought you may take it more easily if I write these terms, if I manage these terms this way. It is because like 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6, we can exchange their order, but the product remains same. So, this property we used here, there was a times 2, we wrote 2 times a. Now, using laws of indices, dear student, if this 2 to the power x minus 2, if we want to bring this term in the numerator, what happens? 2 at first what is there? 3x minus 5 we write same. Look, base is 2 here, base is 2 here. When this power goes up, the sign of the power will be exchanged. We have done lots of this concept we have used. So, I am not going to repeat it. So, x goes up and it becomes minus x. Minus 2 is here, it goes up, it becomes plus 2. So, here we just operate these two terms, having base 2, having base 2. So, x minus 2 goes up, it becomes minus x plus 2 times a to the power, what is this? X minus 2. Now, here also base is a, base is a. So, when this power goes up, it becomes, this 1 becomes minus 1, this minus x becomes plus x. Right hand side there is already 1, or 2 3x minus x, it is 2x minus 5 plus 2, minus 5 plus 2. Still, you know, I get some students, when you want to do this difference, when you want to get the answer faster, you know, you used to write minus 7 like this. This is wrong, do not be confused. Here it is minus 5 plus 2, it is minus 3. You can use calculator if some of you confused. So, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3 times a to the power x plus x is 2x, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, you can see luckily we have got same power 2 to the power 2x minus 3, a to the power 2x minus 3. So, we can write it 2 times a to the power 2x minus 3, because power is same. And one this fact we have discussed yesterday also. Here is 1. 1 is so interesting number, something to the power 0 is always equal to 1. So, what you would like to write here? Left hand side 2 times a. So, what should we write here? We should write here 2 times a. It is 2a also, you can write directly. In left hand side 2 times a to the power 2x minus 3, it was 1 here, but how we wrote? We wrote 2 times a to the power 0, because we wanted to make the bases same. You can see both bases are same. In this case, we can remove the base and we can equate the power. So, after this, my dear student, or look, 2a is the base. So, equating the power we get 2x minus 3 is same as 0, or 2x equal 3, or x is equal to 3 over 2. Therefore, the value of x is 3/2. Answer. This is the beauty of mathematics. You should end every solution with the conclusion like this. Make habit. Okay. Doing solving question is not enough. Beauty of mathematics works a lot. Let us present what we do perfectly. So, I hope this question you have understood very easily. Now, let us go to the third question. For that, let me see the slide again, please. So, dear student, look at third number. I have already told you, if you could not copy in this episode in live telecast, you can go to YouTube channel of Kalika SD TV and you can slowly watch and understand each and every step. Now, dear student, let us see the first question, the third question. Prove that the value of x obtained by solving the equation 3 to the power x plus 2 plus 3 to the power x plus 1, 3 to the power x plus 2 plus 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 324. This is the first question. It satisfies the equation 2 to the power x plus 4 plus 2 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 16 is there, 160 there should be, I think. We are okay, I think there should be 160, let us see anyway. Sorry student, let us look at the board please. Here we need to prove that the value of x that we get from this equation will also satisfy this equation. Let us check. Question can be like whether the value of x obtained from the equation 3 to the power x plus 2, 3 to the power x plus 1 satisfy the equation 2 to the power x plus 4 plus 2 to the power x plus 2 equal 160 or not. So, let us check. This is first equation. Here the first equation is, this is the first equation, and or yesterday also we did this question, I think this type of question. We are splitting the power even though from here 3 also comes common, but I am taking only 3x common, dear student. Then what is left? This is 9 plus what is left? This is 3 is equal to 324. 3 to the power x times 9 plus 3 is 12 is equal to 324, or 3 to the power x is equal to 324 divided by 12. It is okay, 12 2s are 24, 12 7s are okay, I think it cuts 27 times, you can use the calculator, or 3 to the power x is equal to what is 27? 3 into 3 into 3, it is 3 cube, base is same, or value of x is equal to, we got 3. Look, our question is, dear student, you remember question is just like whether the value of x obtained from first equation satisfy second equation or not. Let us check it. We are checking. We need to prove in the question. I think in the question the 0 is missing in my opinion. Let us see whether there should be 160 or 16. We can take the second equation anyone. I am taking 160. So, from first equation we got the value of x and we got the value is 3. Now, the second equation is two to the power x plus 4 plus 2 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 160. I think, dear student, there should be 160. In the slide I had shown the 0 is missing in this question as well. Today some while typing 0 is missing. So, first equation this, and the value of x we obtained from this equation is this. Now, we are checking whether this value of x also satisfy this equation. Okay. Checking the equation at x equal 3. From here we got value of x. This is why we are going to check whether x equal 3 satisfies the equation or not. So, I am putting value of x equal 3 here. We get 2 to the power x plus 3 is there, 3 plus 4, at the place of x we put 3 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2, at the place of x we put 3 is equal to, now is equal to 160 is there, it is okay, we can write it, or 2 to the power 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 is 5 is equal to 160. Let us see whether this result comes 160 or not, or 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64, 2s are 128, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 2 to the power 7 is 128 plus 2 to the power 5 is here, 2 to the power 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only, 2 ones is 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 8, 2 fours 8, 8, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. 32 is equal to 160, or we got 160 is equal to 160. So, it came true. Hence, the value of x obtained from 3 to the power x plus 2 plus 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 324, also satisfies the equation 2 to the power x plus 4 plus 2 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 160. So, in the slide this is 0 is missing while typing. So, I hope, dear student, you have understood what we have done. So, these 3 different type of question and one repeated question because of your question in my mail ID, what I got, your problem that I solved, second question, and first question and third question I have solved as a miscellaneous question today. Thank you so much for being with me, and tomorrow again I will come in the same time. And then before going, let me show you the homework. You can see the homework. Okay, here let us see. Okay, dear student, you can see the homework from my yesterday's episode. The same homework I wanted to give today, but because of some technical error I could not show it. Thank you so much for being with me. Keep on watching us. Tomorrow again I will come. Till then, goodbye, namaste, have a good day and stay safe.